Hello, family and friends. It's your girl again, Lawyer Chef. I welcome you to Grandma Adun's Recipe for Success channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. Click on that subscribe button and the like button, the thumbs up button, and put your comments if you watch to the end and you like what we're cooking in. On this platform, we cook good food. We talk about food, that food is medicine, and that you are what you eat. Today we are making another version of okra soup. And you can see I have on the stove already a pot with rapeseed oil. We are using rapeseed oil this time around. Okay, let's get to it. Alright, I have a blended scotch bonnets and locust beans. So I'm adding to the pot now. We mix together thoroughly. We're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes. Yeah, the other ingredient we're adding has already been pre-cooked, so we just need to cook this for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add our chicken broth. Alright, this has been cooked for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to add my fish into it. Yeah, I've added this spot fish into it, and the stock is going into it right now. Then I'm gonna add the stock. We add the stock and let the stock fish cook a little bit more. We add the seasoning, the salt. I'm adding my seasoning and my spices. Alright, we're going to have the bitter leaf. Our bitter leaf has been washed, thoroughly washed, to take away the bitterness. We're adding this just for the bitter sweet taste. Now we're going to cover up the bitter sweet taste and the bitter leaf to get into the sauce for about 35 minutes before we add our proteins, the other proteins. Let me cover it. Alright, it's been 5 minutes now, so we are going to add our proteins. We have grilled chicken and grilled chicken, goat tripe, and pomo calf skin. So I'm gonna add a cup of water. A cup of water will do for now. We let the meat soak in the flavor of the bitter leaf, and let the spices and the pepper get into it. Then we come back and add our okra. So we cover and let it get into it for 5 minutes. Then we come back and add our okra. Alright, we're back. I'm going to check. So I'm going to taste for salt now. Yeah, so add salt and a teaspoon of salt. I need to add it. I'm gonna add after I've added okra. So you can use any protein you have at home. Okay, this is just to show you another method of making okra soup. You can use any protein, and if you want to replicate fine, we use any protein you have at home. You still get the same result. So I'm gonna add my okra now. So I'm going to add my crayfish now. This for our crayfish. Yeah. And taste for salt again. I'm gonna add just a little. And the extra salt, extra teaspoon of salt. You can add salt based to your preference for salt. So that's our okra. Just let it. I'm gonna reduce the heat and let it steam for 2 minutes. Then our okra soup will be ready. Alright, we're back. So our okra soup is ready. I already talked about the benefits of okra in one of my previous video. So you can see how yummy it is. You can see that's not lost the viscosity. Alright. Very simple and easy to make. Yeah. You will like it, the bitter leaf. Alright. Let's make our way back. See you. Let's serve it. Bring your plate. Alright. That's the way to do it. So if you like this, please subscribe and click on the subscribe button and the thumbs up button, like it, and put your comments. If you have any question, put it on the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.